Here's my Publix haul, or Publix heist for the week. This is $41.13 worth of goods. When it's all said and done, they paid me $6.94. And yes, that total does include tax with my $6.94 overage. This is for the week of February 25th to March 3rd. And I'm going to be uploading a video every week on the first day of the sale, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away. So I know it was not a big heist this week, but it was on purpose that way. So the thing, I kind of got lucky here at a regional deal, $5 off of 30 Winn-Dixie competitor coupons. So kind of a tip here, when you got something like that, you want to get just over $30 and then use that $5 off. Maximize the strength of the coupon. If I was going to spend $65, say, I would break it up in a $32. One transaction, use that 5 off, and maybe $33. The other transaction, use that 5 off. So get 10 off of your purchase. So it's kind of purposely, and there wasn't that many good deals this week. So let's get right into it. I used Publix digital coupons. I used manufacturer printable coupons, I used ibotta, and I used manufacturer coupons, as well as store coupons. So, got this Advil as a store coupon for $2 off in the extra savings, as well as a $3 off Publix digital coupon. This was free with Publix digital coupon, also free with Publix digital coupon. Got these treats, which are on sale for $2.50. There's $2 off here in that booklet, as well as a $1 off in the January 3rd Smart Source. Got a couple tortillas. These are $1.99 BOGO, so 2 for $1.99. You got a manufacturer printable for $1 off. Now, all the links and the breakdown, I might be speaking fast, but all the links and the breakdowns and links to print the coupons, what insert I got them from, are in the details below. Very detailed description there. So also got these Sunmaid Bites, also a Publix digital coupon for $1 off. They're on sale for $2. And there's a ibotta rebate for $1.50 off of each, so made those free. And these were on sale for $1.74, $1.79, and there is a $1.50 off coupon from this retailing nod from January 3rd, as well as 75 cents each, maximum of 3, and ibotta rebate. So that's $2.25 plus 6, $8.25 on $6.79. So it's a moneymaker, $1.29 on that alone. So there we go. So once again, paid to shop. I know it wasn't big. I've been doing this for about 6 years and truly posting a video every week. Haven't missed a week where I've been paid to shop every week, and this week was no difference. As I said, $6.94 in my pocket, all this stuff, and it's over $41 worth of goods. So once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right there if you haven't. Hit the like button. Here's more cool information right here. Paid to shop.